instead of Pokemon cards, they've got lots of hand sanitizer. Let's see if there's anything maybe that we could have missed. Like that.
Interesting.
Well, that is the only Pokemon product we have seen here, and we've been checking. Well, gotta buy it if we find it. Trainer's Toolkit. Let's see what's inside. We've got some dice, alright, some damage counters, so we've got some poison and burn. Oh, here's the booster packs. What do we got? Burning Shadows, Sword and Shield, Rebel Clash. Alright, we'll get to that in a second. Some card game rules. Pokemon the trading card game. More rules. Alright, there's our sleeves. Oh, beautiful. How about that? Oh, there's the Dedenne GX. There's supposed to be 2 of those in there, and a whole bunch of energy cards. These are the trainer cards here. Let's get this stuff off to the side. There's that code card. Ooh. Alright. See what kind of energies we got in here. Alright. I love seeing those colors. Ooh, almost lost them. Alright, that's cool. Big old stack of energy. Now, let's crack this open. Dedenne. Let's set those to the side. Mallow and Lana, Boss's Orders, Pokegear. Alright. All kinds of good stuff in here. Speed Energy, Welder, Balloon, Twin Energy, Aurora Energy, Tool Scrapper, Speed Energy, Fire Crystal. Alright, some good stuff in here. Yeah, so this would definitely help if all you had was a just one of these regular decks here, like one of these, and you needed to kind of spice it up a little bit. There's a lot of good stuff in here that would really help spice up the deck. Alright, let's do this Sword and Shield. Code card. Oh my god, I just saw something. Let's just do this the right way. No energy. Hitmonlee! Oh, I love that Hitmonlee. Rare Candy. Lucky Egg. Baltoy. Your dog's favorite Pokemon. Chinchou. Krabby. Encino. Galarian Ponyta. A reverse hollow Mantine. And a Snorlax V. All right.
Do we have that one?
I don't think we do. That is very exciting. Snorlax, definitely one of my favorites. Let's just take a look at that real quick here. How about that? Snorlax V. Gotta love it. Okay, what should we do next? How about, let's do this Burning Shadows next. I want to do the Burning Shadows. I can't wait till the end. No, that just opened right up there. There's that code card. Energy. Heatmore. Lana. Tormenting Spray. Alolan Vulpix. Sneasel. Achoo. Venipede. Sandygast. Caterpie. Reverse Caterpie.
I love when that happens.
And a Malamar. Alright. Rebel Clash. Oop. Energy. Horror Energy. Heatmore. Morpeko. Phantom. Galarian Farfetch'd. Squovit. Galarian Mr. Mime. Caterpie. Lots of Caterpies around here. Reverse Hollow Doublade. And a holographic Duraludin.
Get that.
Yep. Great name. I'm gonna put him under the Snorlax because Snorlax is better. Alright. Last pack of the night.
Last pack, my friend.
What is going to be in this last pack? Will it be good? Will it be disappointing? No, it won't be disappointing. It's Pokemon. Code card. Water Energy. Burning Scarf. For my burning desire for Pokemon cards openings. Oleana. Luxio. Galarian Farfetch'd. Honedge. Working his way to be... Is that who becomes Doublade? Probably. If it's not, then that would be silly. But that's okay. Timpole. Volibye. Singing a lullaby to your face with his... Looks like he's gonna hit somebody. Like a headbutt in reverse. Galarian Corsola. Trubbish. Reverse Hollow. And a Toxtricity V. Ooh. How about that for a last pack magic? Last card pull. That's, I don't know if we have that one, do we? We might have this one already. It looks good, I like it.
I do like it. Sweet. Those are awesome.
Excellent.
4 packs.
4 packs. 3 really good pulls. And there's that 4th one. Malamar. And don't forget the Dene.
Yeah, that's totally right.